Welcome to NUS!
We are current students and we will be bringing you on a whirlwind tour of our amazing campus and student life.
NUS is the university of choice to help you chart and work towards your future and dreams. This is a campus like no other, offering the best facilities both in and out of the classroom.
UTown has created a lively, intellectual, social and cultural environment to enhance learning and student engagement. The town green is a hotbed of activity. This is where you see students have a picnic or play a game of frisbee. At night, you can take in the evening breeze here or enjoy concerts and performances under the stars.
Around the campus, there are residential halls and colleges. Residential colleges are the first of its kind in Singapore's higher education landscape.
Here you can live, study and play on campus. It's truly an experience like no other.
Located at Level 1 of the Education Resource Centre, the 3 computer commons which are accessible 24/7 with a mix of open and semi-enclosed spaces as well as private meeting rooms for students who wish to have project meetings using high-end Windows and Mac computers. Used for lectures in the day, the 200-seater Ngee Ann Kongsi Auditorium can also double up as a theatre for video screenings. Overlooking Town Green is the biggest Starbucks outlet on any campus ground and it stays open 24 hours 7 days a week.
Stephen Riady Centre holds a range of sports, educational and performing arts facilities. These include 2 multi-purpose sports halls, a rock climbing wall, a gym, recreational pool, an auditorium, dance studios and practice rooms.
Be ready to explore your interests, develop your strengths and enjoy a memorable and vibrant student life with our amazing campus environment. At NUS, other than studying hard, you're also encouraged to discover and find your other interests and passion. First year at NUS is really one of the best, thanks to it being grade-free. You can take electives, and if your course allows, explore a major or a minor. The point is really to let you discover your strengths as well as your interests.
It helps me to balance between my studies and my CCAs to ensure I do not burn out. We have so many choices in NUS. We have 5 types of CCAs: sports, arts and culture, committees, societies, and interest groups.
CCAs are not compulsory, but you are encouraged to participate in as many as possible to develop your leadership, networking, as well as soft skills.
That's right. You can both pursue a degree and a passion at the same time. Get ready to embark on the most exciting time of your life.
Living on campus. What started off as plain student accommodation has evolved into its own unique experience that many alumni still talk about even after graduation.
These beautiful residences have facilities not only for living in comfort, but also community building and of course, studying. If you'd like to live on campus, take into account factors such as the distance between the hall and your faculty, the facilities they offer, nearby dining options, and accessibility. Select one that suits you the best.
Applications for residences are separate from admissions and can happen concurrently.
NUS has an amazing student exchange program with over 300 different universities in 40 different countries.
Other than the student exchange program, there are also other programs including the International Research Attachment Program, study trips for engagement and enrichment, NUS Overseas Colleges, international summer and winter programs, overseas internships, and even community involvement projects.
These overseas exchange programs are not compulsory, but 80% of our students do take part in them. I went to Vilnius University in Vilnius, Lithuania. Living in a country not often talked about in Singapore expands my perspective and understanding of the world around me.
Be ready to be fascinated by different cultures and make friends all over the world through a vast choice of overseas programs.
To all the freshmen out there, be open-minded. You never know what you like until you give it a try. See you here soon. Be ready. Be ready.